the Happy Heart. It's no surprise that my favorite words are irregular heart words. Let's have some fun and learn to read and spell a new heart word today. Today, our new heart word is guess. Your turn to say the word. Say guess. Great job! Now that we know today's heart word, it's time to count the number of sounds in the word. I'll push a circle into a box for every sound we say in our word. Here we go. G, S. There are 3 sounds, so we need 3 sound boxes. Okay, heart word heroes, now it's time to spell the sounds in our sound boxes and figure out why this word is called an irregular heart word. The first and last sounds in the word guess are spelled the regular way, so we'll put black boxes under both of these sounds. The first sound is G, spelled with the letter G, and the last sound is S, spelled with 2 S's together. The middle sound in the word guess is and this is the tricky part that we need to mark with a heart. In the irregular word guess, the sound is spelled with a U and an E together. The heart reminds us that UE is an irregular spelling for the sound All right, word wizards, get ready for our last job. It's time to write our word. The irregular heart word guess is spelled G-U-E-S-S. Great spelling today. I'm going to count to 10 and then guess where my friend is hiding. I have something exciting to share before we're done today. If we take away one of the S's from the end of the word guess and add a T to the end of the word, we can also read and spell the heart word guest. We cleaned the house before our guest came over for dinner. Amazing work today, heart word superstars. Remember, those tricky irregular words are easy to learn with a happy heart. See you next time.